Okay, fellas, Ben back again with another video. Aluminium rims and motocross tire. I was feeling terrible that I couldn't install the Timson TS820 on my rim, is because this rim is 2.15 and this is a size which can take a max size of 110. The width of the tire being 110 and not more than that. So the Timson was a 130/90 and that was quite wide and had a big huge sidewall. So got myself a Maxxis. I don't really remember the name of the model, but it was fairly good on road. Not so much off-road, especially with guys, keep one thing in mind. The Maxxis was a fantastic tire, no complaints. It's just it was far better than See It. It was far better than See It, no complaints, but it was just not good for where I am at now with my riding skills. Everything on a motorcycle is subjective. Every little thing on a motorcycle is subjective. There's no standard air pressure. There is no standard any bloody thing. Everything has to be customized to where you are at with your riding skill, ergonomics, and so on and so forth. So got myself a motocross rear, and man oh man, transformed. Confidence shifts like anything, from nothing to just the bike listening to any and every single input that I give to it. These tires hook into the ground and give you solid confidence on off-road terrain. On road, they suck. As simple as that. Motocross is just not good on road. There's a constant wobble, there's a constant fishtailing, there's a constant vibration, and I could just go on and on. You will have to get used to it. It'll still not be good enough. Braking performance will come down. Everything will come down. You're risking it if you have this tire, unless and until you have the right amount of skill set. And the right amount of skill set is not you comparing you to me. This is you comparing yourself to you. If you guys want to go ahead and buy this tire, go buy this tire, put it on your bike, and then see for yourself if you can actually handle it. Take it. If you can't, if it feels intimidating, get rid of it. It's because this is going to land you in trouble. There needs to be a lot of things that needs to fall in place for you to be able to use this tire effectively. Now, that being said, whoa, what a tire. I will attach the link of this particular tire in the description. You guys can definitely go check that out. Buy it from the fella, a very decent gentleman. One order and he tried his best to, this tire, this particular size, 120/80/17 Ralco Motocross is not available anywhere in the country. It was just available on the website. Ralco has this on their websites. No dealer has it. I've been asking around for this tire for about 2 years now. Everybody says, nope, sir, not available. And this particular person, I will attach his name and his details in the description, and you guys can definitely get in touch with him and order a tire for yourself. This changes the game if you're into off-road riding. Completely transforms the game into your off-road riding if you're into off-road riding. And man, oh man, I couldn't be happier. My day is made with a tire like this. Every time I'm on off-road terrain, every time I'm on sand, if I'm on gravel road, dirt road, name it, this thing just hooks. It's a leech. Yep, so that's that. We'll head back on, and looks crazy, doesn't it? Okay, so if this helped, let it help. See you guys on another one. This is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.